Hi guys and welcome back to the new vlog. We are starting our vlog from a very special place today and we are at Java. So today we have got two BS6 vehicles, fresh BS6 compliant Java 42 and Java standard. Today they have arrived and I am going to show you. We have got Govardhan and there is my bike Tiger. You will have to speak now. Now you had a look at the BS6 Java. Now Govardhan will explain some of the differences between BS4 and BS6. Especially, do we have 42? So Java 42 and Java 42, BS6, BS4. What are the key differences?
The main difference is you will get catalytic converter. There is an oxygen sensor. In BS4, you will get oxygen sensor right here. Right here.
So that's something, the placement of the sensor. That's it, no?
Okay.
Okay, so that's there now. So that's the catalytic converter. Reflector. Okay, so till this part will be covered under the chrome, which is not there, but now at the time of delivery it will be made available.
And then another is this side stand kill switch.
Okay, side stand kill switch, meaning auto cut.
Auto cut.
Auto sensor is there, meaning if the bike is in gear and if the side stand is extended, it will turn off the engine. Okay, so these are the big key differences. Other than that, the bikes remains identical. But if I have to highlight one big key difference, is the only difference is that you get the catalytic converter to comply with the BS6 emission norms. Other than that, there are some cosmetic changes. And the power drop is about 0.9 bhp power drop in the BS6 compared to the BS4. 0.8 Nm of torque has also gone down in BS6, but it is not that significant. In my opinion, it does not make any difference in the way you ride BS4 or BS6. Now let's hear the exhaust sound of BS6. Okay, so BS4 exhaust will also hear. Okay, so here is the BS6. Alright, so this is how BS6 Java 42 sounds. Now we'll see how BS4 actually sounds, so you get a fair idea about both the exhaust. I know there are many people who loves the exhaust, so let's have a listen to the BS4 exhaust. Start. So you get two options. One is a single channel ABS and the dual channel ABS. How much is the cost difference between these two? Approximately 10,000. So single channel is 10,000 cheaper than the dual channel ABS, and I would suggest go for the dual channel ABS, more safe than the drum brakes. And now I will show you on the screen what are the prices for each model for BS6. You will get a fair idea, take a decision. The bikes looks really amazing. I am really serious. The way it is looking, the stance of the bike is really amazing. Classic. I really love the classic look. That stance is really amazing and majestic. And all the bikes colors are really appealing, and I think it's all modern classic look. If anybody enjoys this, definitely it will satisfy you to the core. And this is about the BS6. If there is any query you have about the BS6, can I share the number? Okay, the showroom number will be there in the description. You can have a look on the bikes and you can call them for the test ride if it is available or whenever it is available. Let's see, if I get a chance, definitely I'll ride BS6. I'll do a small comparison with BS4 and BS6. Let's see when that happens. I'll have to check. Alright guys, this GoPro has really ditched me 2 times so far. Let me just confirm. Yeah, now it is recording, so let's go. Thank you Govardhan, and we'll meet soon. This is wonderful BS6 Java 42. Soon we are going to ride. When can I have a test ride?
I will let you know.
Just please let me know. And I'll also talk about the Classic. This is looking really nice, yaar. This is more appealing to me personally. Classic. Alright, take care, bye. Chalo, here is our Tiger. And this is Java Park. Looks so majestic, yaar. This looks so nice. I'll test ride this bike, yaar, soon. By the way, this is BS6 compliant already. So now let's go back home. I hope you guys have enjoyed till now. और अगर अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर दो. एंड अगर आपको कोई चीज़ पसंद नहीं आया है देन यू आर फ्री टू डिसलाइक, बट प्लीज़ हेल्प मी इम्प्रूव. राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन दैट व्हाट इज़ इट दैट यू डिड नॉट लाइक, and I will definitely try my level best to improve it in the next vlog, so that I don't make the same mistake again in the next vlog. That's the whole intention. So please share your feedback. I would love to hear it from you. You guys can follow me on Instagram as well. Let's go भैया, हो गया ना green.